If you have ever received a VCard from someone into Follow Up Boss in your inbox and you've ever wondered, well, how do I import this VCard into Follow Up Boss? There's not a button to do so. Someone posted a hack for how to do this in the Follow Up Boss community, and I thought this was too great of a little nugget to not share in a how-to video. So props to Austin, who posted this in the Follow Up Boss Facebook group, and I'm going to walk you through a how-to. So in Follow Up Boss, I just received a text message from myself with the VCard, and you can see it here. And I clicked it, and all it does is download it. So when I click to download it, when I open it, it attempts to add the VCard to iCloud because I have it open in MacBook, which I don't want. I want to upload it to Follow Up Boss here. So I can't really copy paste from here very well. So instead, I'm going to screenshot it like this and go over to ChatGPT and create a new chat, add the photo. Whoops. And say, please type this out. And then you will be able to copy paste the information, the name, and quick add the person, the name, the phone, and the email. So that's a quick little snippet hack, quick share that I thought was too good to share, even though it was a super short nugget.